Hey guys, what's up everybody? Welcome to a new exciting tutorial. The video you're about to watch is actually a lesson truly geared towards beginners, and it's all about layers. Working with layers is pretty much the core of what makes Photoshop Photoshop. In this video we are going to cover layers, what to do with them, how do they work. And if you aren't subscribed yet, please subscribe, and if you like this video, please like it.
Every new Photoshop document starts off with a background layer that is by default white, and it's also locked, which means when we try to do certain things with the Move tool selected here, it's gonna tell us no, you can't do that, you can't move it unless you unlock and convert it to a normal layer. I cancel it. To unlock this background is clicking this lock icon, and that converts it to a normal layer, and this normal layer is now a fill of white and is movable now. If we move it, we notice how we get a little checkerboard, which means transparency, and it means what on the layer only covers this part, the white filled part, and there's nothing over here. The way that layer works is that they are stacked on top of each other. I'm gonna undo this, Ctrl Z. Anything on the top is the first visible thing. Let's use some of the basic tools to create some layers. We click on the rectangle tool. If we right click on it, we see the rounded rectangle tool, ellipse tool, polygon tool, line tool, and custom shape tool. So I'm gonna grab the rectangle, but first I'm gonna pick a color. I want to choose blue color, and let's grab the rectangle. Now on the right side panel, we notice that rectangle 1 is created. It's a new layer created. Enter. And by clicking on the Move tool, we can move it like we want. There are different types of layers, like shape layers, text layers, image layers, paintbrush layers, and other type of layers. A basic option that we always use is the opacity. It's the visibility level. It can be from 0%. The blue rectangle is now invisible, to 100% a full visible rectangle. Let's create a new rectangle, a new layer. This time I'm gonna use the ellipse tool. Let's pick a color, the purple color, and let's drag our new ellipse. The ellipse 1 is on the top of rectangle 1, which means rectangle 1 is in the bottom, so in the back, and ellipse 1 is on the top at the front. If we want to switch, if I want the rectangle 1 to be at the front, I drag it at the top. Now if I want to hide this rectangle 1, I can click on this little eye here, and to unhide it, I click it again. Let's create a new layer by using the paintbrush tool. first we go to create new layer. We notice that the checkerboard is now empty. We go to the paintbrush. We can choose its size, hardness, softness, and its texture, hard, round, pressure size. Okay, and the green color is selected. I can use it, and now we notice that it's on the front because it's on the top of the layers. If we want the ellipse to be on the front, we drag it at the top. We can also cut using the layer. Now I'm on layer 1. I want to cut a part of it by using the rectangular marquee tool. I can select the part I want to cut, right click, layer via cut. Now a layer 2 is created. I click on it and move it. We have now a new layer. And also, if I want to paint a selected area from this layer 2 or layer 1, I can use the rectangular marquee tool. I select a rectangle and I can paint inside of it. Only the selected area is getting painted. It's a nice way to keep yourself painting inside the boundaries where you would like to paint. So now we have learned that how layers work in order from top to bottom, front to back. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and please like and subscribe.